In every community, there are values that shape the identity of its members. For Holy Angel University, being an angelite is more than being part of an institution. It is a way of living guided by faith, service, and compassion. Angelite spirituality reminds us of the presence of angels as messengers and servants of God. Angels guide humanity closer to God by showing His love, protection, and care. Through prayer, service, and the values we practice every day, we become instruments of God's goodness in the lives of others. But what does it really mean to be an angelite?
Seven years since high school na ako dito, and siguro isa sa mga pinaka nag-influence sa akin ng yung parang impression ko here sa HAU is yung sumali ako sa mga extracurricular activities wherein na-meet ko yung mga tao na may same interest and as me.
So, I've been in the Holy Angel University community for as long as I was in high school pa. And probably the most memorable moment that I've encountered here was nung nag-open ng doors for me to become a student leader. And up to now naman, napapractice ko yung pagiging student leader. And not only that, pati rin sa academics.
So, I've been with Holy Angel for 9 years now. Ever since I was grade 7. Dito lang ako nag-aaral sa Holy Angel. Nung grade 9 ako, nawalan ako ng wallet. Tapos, nung time na yun, parang yun laman ng wallet na yun na yung last money ko. So, parang pinurso ko talaga na hanapin yung wallet na yun. So, ginawa ko, nagpunta ako dun sa kung saan last ko siya dala-dala, which is dun sa canteen. Pero pagbalik ko dun sa canteen, wala na. So, parang nawalan ako ng pag-asa until nagpunta ako sa principal's office and mag-asa na baka may nagbalik ng wallet. And luckily, meron naman nagbalik, sinurrender sa principal's office. And then with that, parang na-realize ko na being an angelite, by the way, yung nakapulot is grade 12 student. Senior high school student yung nakapulot. And hindi ko siya kilala, hindi niya ako kilala. Pero, binalik niya yung wallet. So, by that, parang realize ko na being an angel means being honest or practicing integrity. Integrity kasi, di ba, ibig sabihin, doing good even if no one is looking. So, parang na-practice doon or na-embody doon yung pagiging honest ng mga angelite na kahit na wala nakakakita, kahit na hindi mo kilala yung tao, kahit na wala kang idea kung kanino yung wallet na yun, ginawa mo pa rin yung tama na ibalik yung wallet.
Siguro one of the practices na na-apply ko is compassion kasi for me kasi hindi siya yung basta-basta mong natututunan sa labas kasi hindi naman tayo lahat pare-pares na may experience sa life. So for me, para maituro ko yun na hindi sa lahat ng oras, porket na ganito yung na-experience ng tao, ganun din hindi mo na dapat maintindihan. As long as meron naman siya nagagawa, intindihan mo naman siya.
The angelite spirituality na parang tumatak talaga sa akin is yung pagiging compassionate ng mga workers and mga students kasi from my high school pa nga, as I've mentioned, nag-student leader ako and compassionate service talaga yung kailangan mo dito. And also, siguro I would want to add na ngayon nursing student ako and meron na din mga parang duty kami. We have to be compassionate on how we talk sa mga clients namin or sa mga patients namin para maramdaman nila yung care. Tapos, how would I want to teach this to the other students or anyone? Siguro is that you have to find a way to love what you're doing. Kasi if you don't love what you're doing, it's hard to find the compassion to do it.
An aspect of angelite spirituality siguro is yung pagiging madasalin. Kasi bilang Angelite, parang instilled sa atin or tinuro sa atin yung prayer. Nagdadasal tayo every class, after matapos yung class, nagdadasal tayo, bago umuwi, bago kumain, nagdadasal tayo sa school bilang Angelite. Nagdadasal pa nga tayo ng Angelite prayer, which is yung own prayer natin. And nagdadasal din tayo ng Angelus every 12 noon, tsaka 6 p.m. na hapon. So, pagiging madasalin, parang nakuha ko na din siya bilang tao sa part ng everyday life ko. Kasi bilang sa estudyante, sa dasal na lang din ako talaga minsan kumukuha ng lakas. And nakaka-empower yung prayer. Lalo na pag malapit tayo kay Christ. And I want to teach that or share that to significant people in my life na kung gusto nilang makakuha ng strength, pwede silang maging madasalin or pwede nilang i-practice yung prayer para makakuha ng strength and mapalapit kay Kristo. Kasi pag madasalin ka, malapit yung loob mo kay Kristo. And parang nakaka-motivate or inspire din siya para maging mabuting tao tayo.
Pinaka-core value na in-apply ko is yung Christ-centeredness. Kasi sa labas din naman ng school ko is nagsiserve din ako sa simbahan namin. Which is parang na-apply ko na rin sa daily life. Kumbaga, na-enhance lang din ng how yung parang belief ko sa Catholic.
So, yung tumatak sa akin na core values ng how, it would be probably the compassion, integrity, and excellence. Kasi it built me as a person. Kasi right now, I aim to give excellence in everything that I do, and also, I would not achieve those excellence kung hindi ako compassion sa ginagawa ko. And also, number one, yung pinaka-tumatak talaga sa akin is integrity. It's that no matter kung sino man yung nakatingin sa'yo or ano man yung nakasurround sa'yo, you would still do the good thing, which is such a good character development for me. And I believe na hindi lang siya as a student kong magagawa, but also as an adult, as a person outside of campus.
Each core value, siguro yung Christ-centeredness. Kasi gaya nga na sinabi ko kanina, pag malapit tayo sa Diyos, parang nai-inspire tayo na ipagpatuloy yung nagawa niya nung kanyang panahon na nakikisalamuha siya sa mga tao, elbow to elbow, join siya with compassion and care. So, bilang isang SNM student, parang nakaka-inspire na gawing model si Jesus Christ or yung pagiging Christ-centered na ipagpatuloy, na i-pursue yung passion ko with healthcare, with the model of Christ. Kasi in the future, magiging healthcare professional tayo and may mga makakasalumuha tayong iba't ibang tao. It is very important na yung mga na yung pakikitungo natin sa mga makakasalumuha nating pasyente in the future is with care, with compassion, gaya ng pakikitungo ni Kristo sa mga disciples niya or sa mga followers niya ng panahon niya.
Being an Angelite is not only about belonging to a school community, it is about living a mission rooted in faith and service. Through integrity, we choose what is right even when no one is watching. Through prayer, we strengthen our relationship with God and find courage during challenges. Through the charism of Archangel Raphael, we are reminded of our calling to bring healing and wellness to others. And through Christ-centeredness, we learn to serve with compassion and love. The story of our interviewee shows that Angelite spirituality is lived through simple but meaningful actions. Every act of kindness, every prayer, and every moment of service can become a reflection of God's love.